The sun beat down on the dusty village roads. Fields of vibrant marigold flowers stretched as far as the eye could see. This was Priya's world, a tapestry woven with tradition and ancient customs. She, a young woman from a lower caste, lived a simple life, her days filled with chores and dreams. In the same village lived Arjun, a young man from a higher caste, his life a stark contrast to Priya's. Bound by destiny and societal norms, their paths seemed destined never to cross. Priya, with her sparkling eyes and a smile that could light up a room, was the picture of innocence. She yearned for a life beyond the confines of her village, a life where love knew no boundaries. Arjun, tall and handsome, possessed a quiet strength and a kind heart. He longed for a world free from the shackles of the caste system, a world where love triumphed over tradition. Their paths, though seemingly parallel, were destined to intersect, sparking a tale of forbidden love and unwavering courage. The annual village fair brought with it a riot of colors, sounds, and excitement. Amidst the joyous revelry, fate played its hand. Priya and Arjun's eyes met across the crowded marketplace. It was a moment frozen in time, a silent acknowledgement of a connection that transcended societal barriers. Their initial shyness gave way to shy smiles and stolen glances. As days turned into weeks, they found ways to meet, their love blossoming under the watchful eyes of the ancient banyan tree at the edge of the village. Their encounters were a mix of stolen moments of joy and the bitter reality of their forbidden love. The caste system, deeply ingrained in their society, cast a long shadow on their budding relationship. Whispers of their meetings reached disapproving ears, and the wall of societal disapproval grew higher. Despite the growing opposition, Priya and Arjun clung to their love. They knew their journey wouldn't be easy, but their hearts yearned to break free from the shackles of an unjust system. They made a daring decision, to marry in secret, to choose love over societal acceptance. Under the cloak of darkness, they exchanged vows, their hearts filled with a mix of trepidation and hope. Their clandestine wedding did not remain a secret for long. The village erupted in outrage, their families torn between loyalty and tradition. Priya and Arjun faced ostracism, their love deemed a transgression against the social order. Threats and violence followed, forcing them to flee their village, leaving behind everything they knew and loved. Under the cover of night, Priya and Arjun boarded a crowded train, their destination a distant city, a beacon of hope and anonymity. Life in the city was a constant struggle. They faced discrimination, their love tested at every turn. Through it all they held on to each other, their love their only solace in a world determined to tear them apart. Priya and Arjun's story, whispered in hushed tones, spread like wildfire, becoming a symbol of resistance against the oppressive caste system. Their courage inspired others to question age-old traditions and fight for the freedom to love. Their love story, once forbidden, became a testament to the power of the human spirit, a beacon of hope for a future where love knows no boundaries.